Hey there, it's Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And today we're making an amazing white chocolate bark just in time for the holidays. So let me show you what goes into it. This is something that probably a lot of you don't know about. It's a white cocoa butter, and it's just a solid hard cocoa butter. So I've melted it down in a double boiler, and then I'm going to add some coconut manna. This is coconut butter, and it's just a lot more thick. So I'm going to melt these two together, and this will melt up in a jiffy. They melt really quick, especially if you've got a lot of heat on this. So let me turn the heat up just a tiny bit. There we go, and especially in a double boiler, you don't have to worry about it burning or overflowing. I'm gonna add some coconut sugar, lots of coconut today. Coconut is really good for you. It has lauric and caprylic acid in it, so it heals your gut. So I'm just gonna let this dissolve and cook up. And then once it's done, we're gonna add some juice sweetened cranberries to it. Let me talk to you about juice sweetened cranberries. Most fruits, dried fruits, they're sweetened with sugar. You don't want that. White sugars are not good for you. So juice sweetened is so much better. These are actually sweetened with apple juice. And then the recipe called for pistachios, but I want to show you how it's easy to interchange things. So today I'm mixing in some walnuts. So I'm just going to let this dissolve and cook up. And while we're here, I think it's so important for you to take care of yourself. Make yourself the priority. You need to be the one and only person for you. When all your needs are met, hey, that's when you can really fill the world with love, with support. But when you're always taking care of everyone else and you're not getting your lion's share, it's really hard to feel good about you. So make yourself a priority and you'll see what kind of magic you can discover. I think this is about done. So I'm going to add the cranberries. There we go. And I'm going to add the walnuts in. Poof! See how easy and simple that is? Then over here, I have a parchment lined pan, and I'm going to pour this into here. I'm just pulling this out. Got my oven mitt, it's kind of warm. And then I'm pouring it right into my parchment lined pan. I'm going to spread out all the goodies, the walnuts and the cranberries, just so they're evenly distributed. And then I'm going to let this harden in my refrigerator, and I'll come back and I'll show you how yummy and delicious it is. Stay tuned. White chocolate, white cacao, not chocolate. It's actually even better for you. White cacao bark. And look what I did with it. For some of these pieces, I just loaded them up. I piled them up with the cranberries and the walnuts. So they're thick and delicious. Check that out. I can't wait to distribute these to my friends. We can't see them in person, but I can bring them healthy treats, right? I can bring them healthy treats. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. More importantly, I help you to love yourself. Go out and love yourself. Share this video. Tell your friends about it. We all need to get healthy and well together. Love you. Bye-bye.